The ship of Theseus. Imagine a ship. It sails for years through storms and calm seas. But over time, the wooden parts begin to wear out. One plank is replaced, then another. Years pass, and every single part of the ship is eventually replaced. Now, not a single piece of the original remains. Here's the question. Is it still the same ship? This is the ship of Theseus. An ancient philosophical puzzle. It's not just about wood and nails. It's about identity, change, and what makes something truly itself. Now imagine this. What if someone collected all the old parts, the ones removed from the original ship, and rebuilt a new ship using only those? Which one is the real ship of Theseus now? The one with continuous history, or the one with original materials? At first, this seems like a simple thought experiment. But it quickly becomes a deep question about life and identity. Because this isn't just about a ship. It's about us. From birth to adulthood, your body changes. Old cells die, and new ones replace them. In fact, most of the cells in your body today weren't there 10 years ago. You are literally not made of the same matter. But are you still the same person? What about your mind? Your memories shift. Your beliefs evolve. You learn, unlearn, grow, and forget. Are you still you? Now, let's look at technology. Imagine a computer. You upgrade the processor, then the storage, then the screen, the keyboard, and even the casing. Eventually, no original parts are left. Is it the same computer? Or take artificial intelligence. What if a machine could copy all your thoughts, your voice, your memories, down to the smallest detail? Would that machine be you? The ship of Theseus forces us to ask, what defines identity? Is it the physical material? Is it the continuity over time? Is it the structure, the function, or the story behind it? Some philosophers say continuity is key. If change happens gradually, the identity remains. Others believe identity lies in the original substance. If you replace all parts, it's no longer the same thing. And some argue, identity is an illusion altogether. A story we tell ourselves to feel stable in a world that constantly changes. Let's take it further. Think about personal relationships. You are not the same person you were 5 years ago. But your friends and family still recognize you as you. Why? Maybe it's your behavior. Maybe your memories. Maybe it's something deeper, something invisible, like the soul or consciousness. The ship of Theseus shows up everywhere. In science, in religion, in ethics, in technology, and especially in the age of digital identity, AI, and virtual reality. The question is more relevant than ever. Who are you? Are you your body, your memories, your consciousness, or just the story that holds it all together? So let's return to the original question. If every part of you was slowly replaced, if your thoughts, your habits, your body, your beliefs, all changed over time, would you still be you? Or would something else take your place? That's the mystery of the ship of Theseus. And it's not meant to give you an answer. It's meant to spark a question. A question only you can try to answer. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would love to hear your perspective. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. We'll explore more puzzles of identity, existence, and the strange corners of philosophy. Because even ideas evolve, and so do we.